Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to create a one-page Shopify store. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So a one-page Shopify store is going to be featuring everything needed to order. So what we need to do is first head over to our online store and head over to your pages, and you are going to be designing it with the best and every section that is required to order. So you can add a new page, create a new page, and then enter your details. Let me just reload this, and you will be able to see that we are able to enter our new page details, like for example title, content. And once you do that, you can edit it using your themes section. Head over to your themes and click on customize, and you will be able to see our page is going to be looking something like this. So you can visit product and directly order them. So that's how you can create a one-page Shopify store. I hope this is going to be helping. So yeah, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.